Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1969 Ford F100 Ranger. This truck is finished with the 360 big block factory air conditioning. Absolutely gorgeous in boxwood green, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Ford F100 Ranger. Like I said, this truck is absolutely gorgeous, finished in that boxwood green, and it is absolutely original and beautiful. It is an Alabama truck. It's most of its life, and we're going to take a look at it. Well, first, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior here. Passenger side of the interior is finished beautifully. All the interior, like I said, is pretty much just original in the truck. Really looks good. Very nice and clean. Super, super nice little truck. Looks good. All the doors look good. Just a real nice little truck here. Very, very nice and clean. Headliner looks good as well. So, like I said, it's just original and been well taken care of. It does have that factory air unit there. We'll shut the door. We'll take a look inside the bed of the truck here. Inside the bed's finished beautifully. It's got a nice, paint to it. Really, really looks good. Super nice and clean. Back window looks good. Does have the Ford emblem there with all the chrome that really looks good. Well, we're going to start this truck up and see how it sounds. Truck has a great sound to it. That 360 big block really rumbles, and very, very nice and clean. Put my microphone back on here. I'll show you the driver's side of the interior here. I'm gonna cut it off. Show you the driver's side of the interior. All the seat looks great. It's got a nice steering wheel on it. The dash looks good. No cracks in the dash. Just very, very nice and clean. Door panels as well look good. Does have the trim tag there. You can pause and take a picture of that if you like. But it just really looks good. So, shut the door. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by the 360. It does have factory air conditioning, and very just nice and clean underneath that hood. Very, very nice. Looks good. Well, we're going to shut the hood here. Hard to do one-handed, but we'll try. And then we'll take one more quick look at the 1969 Ford F100 Ranger. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Ford F100 Ranger for a test drive and see how it does. Really nice old truck here, just all original. We're going to take it for a drive and see how it does.
Got new AC compressor and stuff on it.
It does, with that big block, and we're going to see how it does. Like I said, it does 3-speed on the column, standard shift, which is theft protection today because the kids don't know how to drive it. So we're going to take it out and see how it does.
West is a little sketch on the 3-speed.
We're going to drive it and see how it does. Got a little bit of traffic coming. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go.
Idle's great, runs great.
Really does. They opened up the floodgates on us here, so as soon as they clear out, we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. just smooth as silk out on the road. Doesn't rattle or shake. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving truck. Really does good. Well, we're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. And we'll see what this truck's made of.
We'll see about the getting on it. It's a peatball truck.
Does have a 360 big block in it though.
It
So
does.
we'll see what it's made of. All right, we're almost going to turn around here, and we're going to see how it goes here. We're almost there. We got a bunch of traffic they've piled up in front of us here. We're going to turn around and see how it goes. They really opened up the floodgates on us here. Oh, here we go. Dad's going to get on it just a little bit. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving truck. Really does good. We're almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this truck, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572 or on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this truck looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video right now.